So I just wanted to share a brief experience that I had today, which was, I was like, okay, great. I've got to fulfill on my workshop. I'm going to run the board. I clicked run. I selected the business area and went, yep, great. We're going to have that workshop fulfillment. I ran it. I was all excited. And then I opened it up and this is what it looked like. I was like, oh, there's nothing there. Nothing there. Now, is this a bad thing? Not really. Because what I did is I got to work and came up with the workshop fulfillment, which now looks like this. And so you can see that I went through, reviewed the offer, went through and created a workshop outline. I then did the AI version of it. That actually ended up being 2 times. So Heim workshop and I need an outline and then integrate the AI and human outlines. So that actually got done there. Haven't begun on downloads and handouts yet. Down here we can see the results as usual. Folder, we've got the offer. That actually opens up to another magic board that has the offer on it. This is my first workshop plan, the AI 1, AI 2, and then I had all 3 of these open and brought them all into this final one here. So ready to go. So what I do want to do though is just capture this at this point, because this first one, not so good. This second one, pretty good. I'm just going to save it to my library and we'll just call it workshop name. I don't really want to save the board results because all of those were specific to that particular workshop. So I'm going to turn that off and click save. And now what it's going to go ahead and do is you can see that it's creating this in process. It's in the library under draft. That's where it puts it by default. And then, okay, so it's gone ahead and copied everything. I can just have a look in here. We can see that my outline, review offer, workshop, AI, integrate with downloads and handouts, create downloads or handouts. Okay, and then down here we can see we've got the folder, no result, offer, no result, workshop plan, no result. Put first draft, just so it's clear. And then our final one there. But I like all of that. We don't need these ones. That's specific for that particular workshop. And again, that one is specific. What I might do though is just add this as downloads and handouts. So we've got a space there for that. There's no particular one there at this point. Pretty happy with this. I'm now going to save it to the library. You can either do that from here or we can save it back to the draft and then save to the library. It's going to bring it across here. And then if we come to our library, I'll just simplify it by going to fulfillment only. What we're going to see here is that we have, in fact, workshop fulfillment, offer and date, workshop fulfillment, workshop name. And we can see here that this one was first created on June 4th. That's the old one. If I view that, there's nothing here. I don't want to have that one anymore. Let's bring that up again. Where is it? Workshop. And so I'm just going to archive this one and it will move it across. And now I have my new workshop fulfillment that is ready to go, 8th of August. If I do need to get back to the archive ones, they're all there. But for this example, I don't see a lot of point for that. All right, if you want to get access, then head over to magicboards.io. Hope you can see the challenge that we've got, which is how do you keep stuff updated? And this is certainly a very powerful way to do that. You can also come in and directly edit, but what I have found is that the work, when I'm doing the work, is when the improvements happen. I'm just going to delete this one so I'm not confused by it. And that's all I got for you. All right, have an awesome day. See you next time.